well. Today we are going to start new playlist for PowerShell. So here we are going to start first video about PowerShell. So what is PowerShell? PowerShell is a nothing but CMD-led scripting service which we can use for configuring or creating scripts to automate we can say actions on the domain controller, on the servers, on the any kind of services like a Microsoft Exchange, Azure. So we can automate those services by using PowerShell script. So how we can use PowerShell? So I have installed Windows Server 2016. If I click on the start button, I can see Windows PowerShell and Windows PowerShell ISE. So I want to introduce first Windows PowerShell. So I right click and click on run as administrator. It will open a blue screen which will show you like a CMD prompt. But here something is different. Okay, so I will just tell you that whatever commands you can execute in CMD, those commands can be executed in PowerShell also. But PowerShell CMDlets cannot be executed on command prompt. So here I will tell you that in PowerShell the CMDlets are defined as verb hyphen noun format. So for an example, I want to see services on this server. So I can use get command. Get is a verb, okay. And what I want to see? I want to see services. I can execute get service command to see all services configured on this server. So these are the services which are available on this server. Next, I want to see processes. Okay, what are the processes are running on this server? You can simply execute get process, get process command. So this will display you all services whichever running on this server. You can see handles, npm, pm, ws, cpu. You can see the cpu utilization and what cpu utilization for what process. You can just see. Okay, next I want to see version of the PowerShell. I can execute $ps version table command to see PowerShell version. I can see here ps version 5.1, or else you can execute $host. This command will also help you to understand version of PowerShell. Okay, so there are a number of commands which are available in PowerShell. So how can you find out all the commands in PowerShell? You just need to execute get command. This will show whatever commands are available in the PowerShell. You can see here set, get, remove, add, these type of CMDlets are available in PowerShell. Okay. So these are PowerShell CMDlets are available in this version, and it may vary based on the PowerShell version. For an example, if you have installed PowerShell 5.5, then some additional CMDlets will be added here. If you are using older version like a 3.0 or 4.0, so you will have few CMDlets are available. Okay, I want to see volume, or you can say disk space on this server. You can just simply execute get volume command. This will shows you disk size on the server. I want to see computer information. You can simply execute get computer info. This command will help you with computer details. See, so you can see here when last reboot happened, when OS is installed, what is computer name, how many paging file is configured, what is the size of paging file, okay, what is the BIOS version, okay, BIOS name, all this information, OS name will be there if you execute this command. Now next I want to see anything. Get, just type get and just press tab. So this will show different commands. Or I want to see how many commands are available with get command. So what type of commands do you want to see? I want to see get hyphen star. So this will show only commands available with get. So these many commands are available with get. I want to see commands available with set. You can just simply execute get command set star. This will show you commands available with set. So this is how you can execute cmdlet on the PowerShell. Okay, this is first video. We are going to talk about more in detail about the PowerShell in next videos. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.